I've never gotten used to the word pussy. I refuse to use it.
Maybe you should hold out until our culture grows up and starts referring to it as cat.
Like, oh, Daddy, put it in my cat.
Exactly. It's so much less infantile.
Women as cats, cats as vaginas. Makes no sense at all. Men are dogs, however.
Totally. How common is vaginal atrophy? Like, as a percentage of women?
I've never heard of vaginal atrophy. My gyno says I have thinning vaginal walls, but as far as I know, no atrophy is set in yet. The only thing my grandmama and my mama ever told me before every bedtime was to make sure that I washed my moonaki along with my feet.
Moonaki.
That's Southern for pussy.
Who knew? Where's Dad?
He's digging up broken glass in the backyard.
Right.
Head back.
Mom, can't you see I'm doing important work here? I'm looking for a man to colonize my cat and pulverize my moonaki.
Are you cruising for sex? I just saw 60 Minutes on that.
I'm cruising a desert landscape. This is a tough town. 90% of the men on here are gay.
You think 10% of them are straight? Boy, do you have a lot to learn. Is it bigger when it's flaccid? I hope it's not smaller when it's erect.
Mom, that doesn't happen.
Oh, yes, it does. I knew someone once.
Hello, Jack. Where is Dad?
He's smoking dope in the garage.
Of course. Are you gonna behave yourself tonight?
Are you?
No. Oh, look, Mommy's here. Oh, Mom, is he cute?
I don't know. He's sort of pale.
No matter who I'd get, you think he wasn't good enough for me?
You deserve the best. You're quite exemplary.
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Not at all. Hello, handsome.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Jack.
I'm Beautiful's mother. Jack, is that your car?
Yes.
Do you own or lease?
I own.
Do you always dress like this?
Not always.
Have you been tested recently?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you live with your mother?
No, she doesn't live here. She's just visiting. I live here with my husband. He's smoking dope in the garage.
That's hilarious. He's smoking dope in the garage.
Well, I hope it's okay if I take your daughter out tonight.
She'd better be home by 12 o'clock, and she better have a big smile on her face.
Mom, I'm so sorry.
You're not married, are you?
Oh my God. Bye, Mom.
You two have fun now. You hear?
Siga, gato, siga, antico, ha, siga.